How long you work?
Huh?
One day.
One day?
How long you work?
How long you are? What do you mean?
I mean, how many hours you work in one day?
Oh, okay. In the morning, 9 until 5:30.
So 8 hours.
8 hours, 30 minutes.
Then evening,
Evening, 6 until 12.
6 hours.
So, total?
So total 8 and 6, 14 hours.
Yeah.
So here I will take rest and you will work. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay? So, okay. So you will do my work.
Okay, I do my work, yeah. Thank you. I'm so hard.
তো প্রতিদিন 14 ঘন্টা কাজ করে, এখন কাজ করবে, আমার কাজও সে করবে, সেবাকে বলছে। সো অনেক ভালো আমার জন্য। থ্যাংক ইউ।
No, thank you.